Joe Jacko here from JackoMD180.com. I hope you're having a great fifth day of Lent, and it's time for our fifth Not-So-Wacko Jacko rules of medicine, which cuts to the core on the topic of trust. And that fifth rule is this: medicine is fertile ground for deception because it is the last place you expect such acts to happen. I think we all expect to be deceived from time to time by our politicians and by the media, but we don't expect to be deceived by the medical profession. But the reality is sometimes we are deceived. And when you think about it, we are exposed to the healthcare system when we're still in utero. And during those first few years of life, and then through our adolescent years and young adult years, we are more or less conditioned to trust what doctors tell us and what the medical profession says. And many times you can trust them, but not always. Let me ask you an important question. Would you take advice from someone you don't trust? I mean, the answer there is pretty obvious. You would not. Therefore, the people who are the best position to fool you when you think about it are those that you trust the most. And that may be your trusted doctor, your trusted healthcare bureaucrat, and what have you. So the point here is you need to do your own research. If you have questions or something your doctor says doesn't make sense, ask questions. Ask them to explain why they're doing what they're doing, why they're recommending what they do recommend to you. So you have to be pretty much your own advocate these days. All the information that I have as a physician, you now have available yourself. You might have to do some self-education, but go ahead and do that. Just don't take what the medical profession says as the blind truth. Challenge it, do your own thinking, be an independent thinker. Have a great day.